Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I am in Atlantic City. It's a beautiful day in Atlantic City today. It's sunny. It's about 11 o'clock. I'm getting ready to check out of the Hard Rock. Gonna be in the 90s though, so it's gonna be a very hot day on the boardwalk. My plan this morning is to head over to the ocean, which is just a little bit that way, and I'm gonna get on one of those trams and take that tram all the way down to the Tropicana. Once I get down to the Tropicana, I'll make up my mind what I want to do once I get there. But this video is all about that tram ride. So I'm going to head down now, put my suitcase in my car, and take things from there. Get the day started. So I did a trolley video back in the fall. The weather wasn't that great, so I think we're gonna have a better time today. And for those of you wondering, it's $4 one way, regardless of where you get on or get off. And if you want a day pass, it's $10. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And a shout out to Robert Camacho, who found Clarice, the Miss America crown in my last Atlantic City video, the Tennessee Avenue Beer Hall. Congratulations, Robert. Good going.
This is a special announcement from the New York Network. If you're enjoying this video, why not subscribe to the New York Network? And while you're at it, give the video a thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. We will now resume with our regular programming. A new feature on the New York channel is the Super Thanks button, which is close to that thumbs up button that I know you've already clicked on. Clicking on that Super Thanks button not only shows your support for the New York channel, but really helps the channel grow. And doing so will let you leave a colorful comment pinned above all other comments here on this video. And that was it for our trolley ride. It took about, I'm going to say, 25 minutes to get from the ocean all the way down here to the Tropicana. Very nice ride. It's breezy out today, and that's a good thing because it's warm, but you really don't feel the heat with this ocean breeze. So hope you enjoyed that ride. Lots to do today. I'm going to make a lot more videos, so stay tuned to the New York channel for lots more to come from Atlantic City. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.